Welcome back. Today, we're checking out 10 incredible classic cars currently for sale across Canada. From beautifully restored muscle cars to rare luxury cruisers and powerful big block builds, there's something here for every classic car enthusiast. Whether you're searching for your next collector car or simply love vintage American iron, let's jump right in. Car number 1. (1968) Chevrolet Camaro SS Convertible. We're kicking off today's lineup with one of the most desirable American muscle cars ever built. This 1968 Chevrolet Camaro SS Convertible is located in Burlington, Ontario, Canada, with an asking price of $72,000 Canadian dollars. Finished in a gorgeous black cherry exterior over a white interior, this Camaro has all the ingredients collectors love. According to the seller, it has undergone a complete restoration with excellent workmanship, resulting in a rust-free body, laser-straight panels, and beautiful paint from every angle. Under the hood sits a healthy 350 cubic inch V8 producing around 300 horsepower. It's equipped with an Edelbrock aluminum intake manifold, 4-barrel carburetor, chrome valve covers, chrome air cleaner, and chrome alternator, giving the engine bay an impressive show-quality appearance. Power is sent through Chevrolet's dependable 2-speed PowerGlide automatic transmission, while dual exhaust provides the unmistakable V8 soundtrack every Camaro deserves. The original factory rally wheels preserve the car's authentic muscle car personality, while a modern Pioneer AM/FM CD sound system adds a bit of convenience for weekend cruising. The first-generation Camaro remains one of the most recognizable American performance cars ever built. Introduced to compete directly with the Ford Mustang, the 1968 model refined the already successful Camaro formula with subtle styling improvements and outstanding performance. Drop the convertible top, fire up that small block V8, and it's easy to understand why these cars continue to appreciate in value nearly 60 years later. Car number 2, 1967 Ford Mustang GT350 Tribute. Next up is a Mustang that captures the spirit of one of America's greatest performance legends. Located in Montreal, Quebec, this 1967 Ford Mustang GT350 Tribute is listed for $139,000 Canadian dollars. Finished in blue with a black interior, this beautifully built Tribute combines classic Shelby styling with tasteful modern upgrades. Power comes from a rebuilt 289 cubic inch Ford V8 connected to a brand new Tremec 5-speed manual transmission, giving the driver a much more engaging experience than the original gearbox. Performance upgrades continue with a 3.55 rear differential, Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor, dual exhaust, front disc brakes, power steering, Shelby-style 17-inch wheels, bucket seats, and a Shelby roll bar. While this is a Tribute rather than an original Shelby GT350, it successfully captures the appearance and driving character that made Carroll Shelby's Mustangs legendary. For many enthusiasts, a professionally built Tribute offers the excitement of a Shelby-inspired Mustang without the multi-million-dollar price tag attached to genuine examples. It's the kind of car that's equally at home on a winding back road or parked proudly at a local car show.
Car number 3, 1967 Chrysler Newport Convertible.
Now, let's slow things down with a full-size American luxury cruiser. This 1967 Chrysler Newport Convertible is located in Saint-Victoire-de-Sorel, Quebec, and is offered for $24,900 Canadian dollars. Finished in bright red inside and out, this Newport makes an unforgettable first impression. Under the hood is a freshly rebuilt 383 cubic inch Chrysler V8, one of Mopar's most respected big block engines. Known for smooth power delivery and long-term reliability, the 383 gives this large convertible effortless highway performance. The seller notes that the convertible top was replaced in 2024, ensuring many years of enjoyable open-air driving. Adding even more credibility, this Newport won an Antique Car Award at the Rimouski Show in 2017, highlighting the care and attention it has received over the years. Luxury convertibles from the late 1960s represent a unique chapter in American automotive history. They were designed not for racing, but for comfort, style, and relaxed cruising. With its bold red finish, award-winning presentation, and fresh mechanical work, this Chrysler delivers exactly that experience.
Car number 4, 1964 Chevrolet Impala SS. Here's one that every Chevrolet enthusiast will appreciate. This 1964 Chevrolet Impala SS is located in Westport, Ontario, and is being offered for $50,000. According to the seller, this is a true supersport and has remained with its original owner since new before being offered for sale for the very first time. That alone makes this car incredibly special. The car recently received a meticulous frame-off restoration while retaining its original body panels and factory poly blue paint color. Under the hood remains the original 327 cubic inch V8 paired with an automatic transmission, creating a combination that's both dependable and enjoyable for modern driving. Inside, the light blue bucket seat Supersport interior remains beautifully preserved, featuring the signature center console and sporty trim that helped define the Impala SS. The 1964 Impala is widely considered one of Chevrolet's greatest designs. Its clean body lines, balanced proportions, and timeless styling continue to attract collectors around the world. Finding a one-owner Supersport with its original drivetrain is becoming increasingly rare, making this one especially desirable for anyone seeking authenticity.
Car number 5, 1966 Buick Riviera. We'll finish the first half with one of the most elegant personal luxury cars America ever produced. This 1966 Buick Riviera is located in Montmagny, Quebec, carrying an asking price of $45,000 Canadian dollars. Finished in white with a blue interior, the Riviera remains one of General Motors' most beautifully designed automobiles of the 1960s. Its long hood, sharp body lines, and distinctive hidden headlights created a look unlike anything else on the road. The seller describes the car as turnkey and ready to enjoy, powered by Buick's original 465 cubic inch V8. These engines became famous for delivering effortless torque, allowing the Riviera to glide comfortably down the highway while still offering impressive acceleration when needed. The 1966 model is especially popular among collectors because it represents the final evolution of the first-generation Riviera before Buick introduced an entirely new body style the following year. Elegant, powerful, and unmistakably American, the Riviera remains one of the finest grand touring cars of its era. Whether you're adding it to a collection or simply looking for a classic to enjoy on sunny weekends, this Riviera continues to prove why it's considered one of Buick's greatest achievements.
Car number 6.
1966 Dodge Monaco. Let's start the second half with a full-size Mopar that's becoming harder to find every year. This 1966 Dodge Monaco two-door hardtop is located in Shawville, Quebec, Canada, with an asking price of $25,000 Canadian dollars. Finished in its factory-style appearance, this Monaco is powered by Chrysler's dependable 318 cubic inch wide-block V8. According to the seller, the engine was refreshed roughly 2,000 miles ago, giving the next owner confidence to simply turn the key and enjoy it. Backing the V8 is Chrysler's legendary TorqueFlite 727 3-speed automatic transmission, widely regarded as one of the toughest automatic transmissions ever built. The car also rides on brand new BF Goodrich tires mounted to its original factory wheels, preserving the authentic look that made these big Mopars so impressive during the mid-1960s. The Monaco represented Dodge's premium full-size lineup, combining comfort, smooth highway cruising, and unmistakable American styling. Its pillarless hardtop design gives the car an elegant profile with all the windows rolled down, making it perfect for weekend cruises or classic car gatherings. Finding a clean, largely original Monaco today is becoming increasingly difficult, making this a very appealing choice for collectors who appreciate overlooked Mopar classics. Car number 7. 1966 Chevrolet El Camino. Now here's a vehicle that perfectly blends muscle car performance with pickup practicality. This 1966 Chevrolet El Camino is located in Port Colborne, Ontario, and carries an asking price of $45,000 Canadian dollars. 5 years ago, the truck underwent a complete body-off-frame restoration, bringing it back to exceptional condition. Under the hood sits a massive 454 cubic inch Chevrolet big block V8, delivering the kind of torque that made these engines legendary. Power flows through a turbo 400 automatic transmission, paired with a 4,000 stall converter, creating a combination built for serious performance while remaining comfortable enough for cruising. Modern touches include Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to enjoy your favorite music while driving a true American classic. The seller describes the vehicle as beautifully straight and collector quality, and from the information provided, it's easy to see why. The El Camino has always occupied a unique place in automotive history. It's part muscle car, part pickup truck, and completely unmistakable. Whether parked at a local show or accelerating away from a stoplight, this big block El Camino commands attention everywhere it goes.
Car number 8, 1968 Ford Mustang. Few names in automotive history generate excitement like the Ford Mustang. This 1968 Ford Mustang is located in Bancroft, Ontario, with an asking price of $29,500 Canadian dollars. Finished in sleek metallic black, the car has an aggressive appearance that's perfectly matched by its performance upgrades. Under the hood is a 302 cubic inch V8 equipped with a 4-barrel carburetor, sending power through Ford's dependable C4 automatic transmission. Dual exhaust gives the Mustang the deep V8 rumble enthusiasts expect, while new 15-inch Cooper tires wrapped around American racing wheels complete the classic muscle car stance. The 1968 Mustang became one of Ford's most successful models thanks to its combination of performance, affordability, and timeless styling. It also gained worldwide recognition after appearing in numerous films and television shows, helping cement its place as an American icon. This example looks like the kind of car you can simply climb into, fire up, and enjoy on any sunny afternoon. It's clean, purposeful, and unmistakably Mustang. Car number 9. 1964 Mercury Comet. Next up is a compact classic that often surprises people with its V8 performance. This 1964 Mercury Comet is located in Edmundston, New Brunswick, Canada, with an asking price of $16,500 Canadian dollars. Finished in black with a striking red interior, the car offers an elegant appearance while maintaining its sporty personality. Power comes from a 260 cubic inch Ford V8 paired with an automatic transmission, creating a reliable and enjoyable combination for weekend cruising. The seller describes the car as exceptionally clean and mentions that it comes from a larger antique car collection, often a positive sign that the vehicle has been cared for by an enthusiast. The Mercury Comet shared much of its engineering with the Ford Falcon, but added more upscale styling and additional comfort features. Today, Comets remain one of the hidden gems of the classic car world because they're relatively uncommon while still offering affordable ownership and dependable Ford mechanical components. If you're looking for something different from the usual Mustang or Fairlane, this Comet deserves a closer look.
Car number 10, 1966 Mercury Comet Capri. We'll finish today's lineup with a Mercury that's anything but ordinary. This 1966 Mercury Comet Capri is located in Oshawa, Ontario, and is listed for $32,000 Canadian dollars. At first glance, it looks like a clean mid-1960s Comet. Then you open the hood. Instead of a small factory V8, you'll find a monstrous 460 cubic inch Ford big block topped with a tunnel ram intake and dual Edelbrock AVS2 carburetors. It's the kind of engine setup that immediately tells you this car was built for serious performance. Power is transferred through a heavy-duty C6 automatic transmission to an 8-inch rear axle equipped with Auburn posi traction and 3.25 gears. Additional upgrades include front disc brakes and a B&M Pro stick shifter, giving the driver complete control over this powerful drivetrain. The Mercury Comet Capri has always been a favorite platform among hot rod builders because of its relatively lightweight body and straightforward mechanical design. With a 460 under the hood, this example transforms from a mild classic into a genuine street machine. It's bold, it's loud, and it's guaranteed to attract attention everywhere it goes. For enthusiasts who believe there's no replacement for big block horsepower, this Comet Capri finishes today's lineup in unforgettable fashion.
That's our lineup for today. Now we want to hear from you. Which classic would you take home? The Camaro SS Convertible, the one-owner Impala SS, or the wild 460-powered Comet Capri? Leave your favorite in the comments below. If you enjoy classic cars, muscle cars, survivor cars, and rare automotive finds, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next collection of classic cars for sale.